Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 102. We are still on Julia Brownley's week of repping the rep. In a committee meeting today, she spoke about how Republicans are attacking our public lands. It's become really clear to me over the past week that nature and the environment and the climate crisis is the most important issue to Julia Brownley. Sydney Kemlager-Dove has a new episode of Is This Ish Legal? This time with her neighboring rep, Ted Lieu. She asked him about DT's 100% temper tariffs on filming outside of the US. To which Lieu made a good point. Not only would it negatively affect production, but stories too. Many stories would suffer if they tried to film them here. Instead of import taxes, we need tax incentives to keep the film industry in SoCal. And no, the tariffs are not legal. Yesterday's Democratic Daily Download is with Johanna Hayes. She talks about how SNAP is the best anti-hunger program in the country and talks about the discharge petition that would hopefully bring hands-off Medicaid and SNAP Act to the floor. Nidia Velasquez has today's Democratic Daily Download. She's the ranking member on the Small Business Committee, and she joined the Steering and Policy Committee for a people's hearing about how Republicans are messing with small businesses, which I wouldn't have even heard about if it wasn't for this video. You can find all the links I talk about, including this one, in my Substack. Richie Torres and Adriano Espiat led 37 House Dems in a letter to the DHSIG urging an investigation into the ICE facilities in Louisiana. And yes, there are still IGs, they're just acting. On Saturday, Arizona Senator Ruben Gomez will be holding a People's Town Hall in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. The county is represented by Republicans Brian Fitzpatrick and Scott Perry. But even more importantly, it's not like either of their senators are representing them. And I have a feeling the timing may have something to do with that article about Fetterman. And finally, a few weeks ago, Adam Schiff placed a hold on Ed Martin's nomination. That doesn't mean the nomination couldn't go through, it just puts sand in the gears and slows it down. Today, Martin's nomination was pulled because enough Republicans felt like it was too much of a hassle to push it through. And that is in very large part because Adam Schiff put a hold on it. This is without a doubt his win. If you made it to the end of this post, comment with an hourglass emoji because there's no sand emoji and their time is running out. And if you went to my Substack and watched or read any of the links, comment with the clapper emoji because we really need to bring the film industry back to LA. I don't think enough people truly understand how much the SoCal economy relies on it. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.